In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a tax return extension on TurboTax. If you need more time to file your tax return, TurboTax makes it pretty simple to request an extension directly from inside your account. This can be helpful if you're still gathering documents or you're not ready to submit your full return yet. Just keep in mind that a filing extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay any taxes you may owe. So as you go through this process, make sure you answer everything carefully. Once you're signed into TurboTax and inside your tax return, start by finding the Tax Tools option. This is usually located in the left-hand menu area. Go ahead and click on Tax Tools to open more options related to your return. After that, click on Tools. This opens a panel with additional features and actions you can take within your return. If you don't immediately see it, just make sure the Tax Tools section is expanded fully before moving on. From the Tools menu, select File an Extension. This is the option TurboTax provides when you want to request extra time to file your federal tax return. Clicking this will take you into the extension workflow, where TurboTax guides you through the process. Next, click Continue. This moves you into the actual extension request screens. At this point, TurboTax will begin walking you through the information it needs in order to prepare and submit the extension for you. From there, simply answer the questions that appear on screen. Read each one carefully and respond based on your tax situation. TurboTax may ask for details related to your expected tax balance, your filing status, or other basic information needed to complete the request. Take your time here because accurate answers help make sure your extension is filed correctly. As you work through the questions, it's a good idea to review your entries before submitting anything. Even though the process is straightforward, small mistakes can cause delays or confusion later. If TurboTax shows any estimates or payment information, double-check those as well so you understand what's being filed. And that's it. To get a tax return extension on TurboTax, you just open Tax Tools, go to Tools, choose File an Extension, click Continue, and then answer the on-screen questions. Once you finish the prompts, TurboTax will guide you through the rest. If this helped, you can follow the same path anytime you need to revisit the extension section before submitting.